everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing very well. I am Deepika Tyagi. When you listen someone who is speaking very good English, that you get impressed and you start to think that he is speaking very good English. How the words are coming out from his mouth automatically. Does he not care about English? And so many questions arise in your head. But it is not true. Because it may be that you are listening that person first time. But it may not be that he is speaking first time. Actually, he did a lot of practice for this. And he did very much efforts for getting the success, but you are only seeing his success. You are not seeing behind his success. You are not seeing his efforts, his hard working. If you want to achieve anything, you have to do hard work. You have to do practice, and practice is the main mantra. And if you are doing practice, then I am so glad that very soon you are going to be fluent like this guy. So I am here to telling you that how do I practice at home. Now today I am choosing one random topic and I am speaking on it. So let's see the demo. And today's topic is, what do I do for staying fit? Actually, our health is our first priority, and our health is most valuable wealth. The healthy person is someone who is free from diseases and who can perform physical activities without getting tired. It can be achieved by nutrition and healthy food and exercises. So I am telling that what do I do for staying fit. I wake up early in the morning at 5:30. I go into the park for walking and exercising. Then I do meditation for 20 minutes. It is very necessary for our mental health. And I eat balanced diet. I eat green vegetables and fruits. I avoid eating outside food and junk food. Sometimes I take fast food, but I avoid mostly. And I avoid overeating because it is the cause of obesity. And these are the things which I do for staying fit. And now, like this, you can describe your daily routine, your any random topic you can choose. Choose one topic and speak on it for 5 to 10 minutes or as much as you can. But speak, do practice, and this and that is what I wanted to tell you. And if you do all the things, if you make practice, then one day you will be success. If you like my video, please like, share and comment and subscribe my channel. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye.